told you.
It's your sister, Gabby.
There you go.
Yeah. It's your sister. Oh,
He wants to give her a hug. Be careful.
Oh. Good boy.
Did you give her your binky?
Good boy.
Oh, no, careful. Yeah, I know. You want to give her big hugs.
Oh.
Oh.
Good boy. That's your sister.
I'd say that he loves his sister.
Yeah. There you go. Her little feet.
Uh-huh.
Good boy.
You say hi. Aw. No headbutts, okay?
Not yet.
Come here. Gab.
Oh, he wants to.
Gabriella. Gabriella.
There's no more in there, Braden.
Not for a while.
Yeah. That one fits good. It's a hat. Gabriella.
Where's Sissy?
Gotta take care of your sister.
Say hello. I'm home.
I promised your in-laws that I'd take pictures of them first seeing each other. Aw. Oh, Braden, you're so good with her.
It's your sister.
That's yeah, I hear Annie.
Braden.
You two make beautiful children. They are both beautiful.
Be careful. Be careful. It's delicate now.
Oh. Oh.
You were that small last year.
Oh.
Good boy. Woof.
Woo. Where's your basset?